I'm trying to duplicate my own design, which I designed just like that, easy, you know. This is the Stingray, and now I'm trying to duplicate again. You need to make it two, one and two, and put them together as sandwich. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and I'm doing 1, and in the middle I will increase, no, 2, increase later, 4. We have 4 stitches. We adjust this later. So this is our nose. You make again 1, 2, 3, 4. And from this time we have to start increase between these stitches, but we have to make them longer, so we try to keep them longer, or we just have to work like this, and inside over here we start increasing for the wing. You see, this go for the wing. 1, 2, 3, between 4, and here 5. Okay, I see increase, right? So one time we increase, one row we increase. When we go back, we just go knit without increasing. Every time if you increase, it's not work. Okay, now we do increase again, here and here. We do 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 6, 8. We have 8. That's how increase go. See, and it's just keep going until you reach end of the wing over here. You see. That's how big now. Okay, back to work. No, there's no increase. I will meet you at the end of the wing, but I think it's getting good. Increase. Next, no increase. Do not do pattern from my Stingray, because right now there is no pattern available nowhere and people trying to copy. That's what I hate, you know. You have to come out with design, with your design, but this is only one design. Why you didn't do it before? When I posted my picture, everybody want a pattern, but I don't want to work for free and just working for nothing at home, killing my hands and give it for free. I don't think so. You know how hands hurt? If you do this, you know. So we have here like the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, couple more row and we're done. I'll make this smaller. You can do bigger by continuing to increase those wings. I do this smaller. One more time. This row without increase. See, we're almost there. Now I do couple row without increase for small size. So I have to count how many row I have. One. I'm counting the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I do 2 more row because I remember I did 14 the first one because I put the marker. So I do one more increase. See? And this go without increase, and all other. So we have 14 rows from the beginning to this point. So we go straight, so I don't do this anymore. I skip this stitch. We do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess. So it's the first one. The white is the belly. We go back, make it tight, because feeling gonna be see-through. If you do loose, keep it tight, keep stitches together, keep it tight, keep it tight. Keep it tight, keep it tight. Okay, that's the one. Almost, maybe 2 more rows. Stretching, 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 because I will stretching anyway. Okay, attaching, and see the size. We have exactly same size. So we will close this, and you make the second part with a gray yarn by yourself. You scrolling back and keep going, same thing. Now we're going to close stitches. I'll show you something I do different than anybody else. I don't do first one because I'll be pulling like this. I do inside of this, I increase by 1 stitches to make the corner. See, this is my tip. Nobody can tell you tip, okay? And we close, and we close. We have 3 here, 3 here. We need to make this the tail. This is gonna be tail, so we cannot close them because we have to make a tail, right? close, loose, but not tight, because closing is never has to be tight. For tail we leave 4, so 1 more and we leave like this. Okay, it's 4. Now we need to close from this side, so I have to have another tail, another yarn. I have to do it this way. I cannot close the tail of the Stingray, and I just attach here because it's gonna be sewing and you cannot see. And I start and put this like it's this stitch, right? And I pull through the stitch. Okay, pull yarn, pull yarn through, and this gonna be our full stitches for the tail. So how I'm doing 4 stitches, I doing this way. I decrease them. If I leave 3, it doesn't look good. And then I do this. Then I'm gonna cut this later. So I have 3 stitches, okay? Then I skip this, as we always do, and do this. And now we have to close them, because tail is not that long. We close them like this, and like this, and like this. That's it. See, this we're gonna cover. When you cut this, you're gonna pull, make it tie, and you cover the hole. So you have one part. Okay, when you have one part, you do second part, and I come back, show you how to put together. Okay.